yourself. I'm at work. I'm actually at work. I'm technically really not supposed to be doing a video like this here, but we're in the food area, food industry, and I got these cans for about a week now, about 2 weeks now. I got these cans from Island Taste. Compliments of Island Taste, guys. I want you guys to go over to their site and check out Island Taste Distributions and Triple C Ltd at yahoo.com. You can check them out on those pages and big them up. So what we here, I'm here with my friend Carrie Berry and my co-worker, partner at work, me and hers at work, and we got these cans from Island Taste, curry good in a can, guys. Check this out. This is amazing. This is the first yet I've seen this, right? So check this out, guys. We not only have that, but we have Mannish Water in a can from Triple C manufacturers, guys, and Island Taste is the brand. So here we go. We'll get these things warmed up, and we're going to give it the official taste test today, and we're going to upload this video and get it up there for you guys to watch, right? So stay tuned, guys. We're outside. We inside more like it because we're on the beach. It's raining. I want you guys to see my background, by the way, my backdrop. Check this out. What? Only Jamaican shore fishing. Bring you these kind of scenery. So, big up on yourself, guys. Stay tuned. And we'll do the taste test more. I see the look on Carrie's face. Carrie say, yo, me never tried that yet, but we are trying this today. But Island Taste, we are going to give you our 100% honest opinion on this. What we think, this thing can go on or something. When I first seen it, guys, I'm going to tell you something. I first seen it, I sat here and I thought, I was like, you know, so that thing you're shot. And you know why I think it's going to shot? This thing's going to shoot because of those single mothers at home that works double jobs or go to school and don't really have the time to cook and can come home and go so, I move this on good. Fling in iPod. Go on the road with little white rice on you. I hate that. Then, so ladies like Carrie and myself, men like me who work very hard and don't have much time, we're gonna set this thing up right now. Alright? So we have Chef in our background, and Bridget around there, and then we have April is right here. Here goes April, guys. I want you guys to say hi to April. So we all at work, guys. So we're gonna taste test this for lunch. You know what I'm saying? Lunch break, taste test this stuff. So stay tuned, alright? Here goes another person in the food industry. She's gonna ask me what's this.
What is that?
Look, man, you know.
Come on, but can I curry good? Wait.
Yeah, cause my door on my video.
Sorry.
Lord have mercy, people. You hear the mess in here?
Curry what?
Yes, curry good in a can.
One.
She was shocked. That's why she came out like that. And Mannish Water in the
Hey!
can. Yeah. So we're gonna taste test
the one
this.
that give me the do that, give me no.
No, but we're gonna taste test this.
Alright, come now.
So we're gonna make it go in the kitchen and we're gonna chef it up real quick and we'll taste test this, guys.
Alright, now waste time.
So yeah. So grab the bag. We don't want to lose the bag. That's my gift bag. So guys, we in the kitchen. See, guys, we have a full kitchen here, guys. So we're not wasting no time. So we're going to match up a little lunch. Carrie Berry our starting out. Show them that pot and go so. Listen to me. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys. So go check out the Mannish Water now. Look at that. That's the first I've seen it. Look, try that. Look. How does it smell?
Like goats.
Smell like goat, right?
And it's rich.
It looks rich. We're gonna taste test this, guys. We're gonna try the Mannish Water and see what's popping here. It looks like there's a lot of meat in it too.
Yeah,
Wow. We try one at a time, man. Come on, man. It's not gonna rush a thing. Yeah, guys. So we're on the fire, guys. And we're gonna taste test this. That's right. That's what's up. Yo, people, this is serious. I'm getting that authentic smell. The smell of it already is good. We have it. Remember, I say, yo, a chef kitchen we know, guys. We're not joking about the thing. These are people that deal with food on a daily basis. So we want to make sure we take it on a professional level, that we can get that real taste out of the thing. You see it? So big up on yourself, guys. Big up to all you guys that's watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Watch the ads. Yeah, guys. So Carry a droppy nice soup bowl now. We're gonna try out this Mannish Water in a can, guys.
Ring full of meat.
Ram water, wicked. Wicked. Yo, guys. Yo, this thing is serious.
Give me something.
Mind the pot burn you. So guys, we're gonna sample this. This is actually this is gonna be the taste test. We're gonna sample this curry goat Mannish water in a can, guys. We have the can over there, so same way. So guys, we want to put the can right in front of it while we are opening it, you know. See the Mannish water in a can so you can see what it looks like. So who will take the first taste test?
I'm nervous.
Be you nervous? Alright, me not nervous. Chef, y'all come taste this. Mannish water in a can.
That can taste good.
What make it can taste good, chef? It smells good on the backside. Alright, me I'll taste it first. Guys, watch. I'm gonna do the first taste test. If me drop down here, so no worry. Yo, this is not bad at all, yo. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is not bad. Yeah. Chef, try it,
Good,
chef.
chef. Come taste it.
Come taste it. This is good. This is really good. I'm liking this.
No joke. It
See,
tastes good.
guys, all different opinions.
And a real goat.
Chef, get a spoon and try that out. More see, chef. A real good chef.
Real soup. Real Mannish water soup.
In a can, not bad, not true.
In a taste good.
He just want to look at pepper. Remember, say everybody don't deal with pepper. He just want to look at pepper.
And you have a
But it tastes good and it's full of
You
meat.
have spice to it.
It tastes the ramen,
Yes.
you can taste
And you can taste the rum in it. What you say?
That's about that can taste good. Where I say come.
Yeah, man, you can go on. Where's the island taste? I do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, island taste. I do it, guys.
Yeah,
island
island
taste.
taste.
Guys, go to your nearest supermarket and grab this can.
Yeah,
Do not
100
miss
out
out.
of 10.
Hurry up.
So how the curry food that is the most.
100
Now here we are boss now. We are boss the curry goat now and taste the curry goat. This was just a taste test.
Remember say that can taste it. Go on.
Yeah.
I tell the part.
Get another deep night.
It must taste good.
I don't tell you say.
Yeah.
Oh.
Remind me
Take a
of
bite,
it, you know?
You want this ball, don't you take your ball and run.
No, Jerry, seriously.
Serious thing. This
Tastes
mad.
good.
This mad.
Tastes
This
good.
mad. We
Rate it to that 10.
so what you say? Triple C.
Out of 10.
Triple C manufacturer.
Out of 10. 100 out of 10.
Yeah. You get 100 out of 10 for the Mannish water in a can. Definitely, guys. This is rolling.
Tastes
Guys,
good.
go to your nearest supermarket and check out this island taste.
That's good when people
Triple C
actually go make it
manufacturers.
here. Like when they go place and
Check
they
them out
make
there in Spanish Town and make your order right away. Order for your supermarket and put it on your shelf because they sell out.
That's
It's
it.
gone.
I'm saying
Mad.
how soon we can get in the supermarket.
Yeah, man.
it. Again.
So, me is gonna call Triple C right now. Alright? So, yeah, man. Alright, guys. So now, Kerry, I'll drop in the curry goat in a can by Island Taste, guys.
Just add it to the pot, no seasoning, nothing.
Nothing. We're just adding it as it comes, guys, to get that taste out of it, to see what the real taste of it is. How that one smell? Can clear up. You can top look more so you can come out look faster, because that look chunky worth of meat. Look like you have enough meat, you know, Kerry? One thing have so much meat? Yeah, guys, so this is what curry goat in a can looks like. Curry goat in a can, guys. No seasoning added, guys. As it come out the can. And we'll heat them up and check out how this thing tastes,
And you
because
have carrot and Irish in it.
yep, carrot and Irish
Irish.
potato in a hit. And whole heap of meat. You know, look like you know no bone in a hit either. What is it? Boneless curry goat. What? Hey boss, this? Yo, white rice mash up with this now, you know. What do you does? Got trouble there. I tell you guys, for all them single mothers that want something in a jiffy and healthy and quick, Jamaica has done it. This is a Jamaican product made in Jamaica, guys. Check it out. Triple C manufacturers, guys. You know, if you don't have this on your shelf yet in Jamaica, or if you don't have this on your shelf yet in foreign, something wrong. Check them out. Tell you, guys,
She tastes it.
we're out here trying it out.
As she tastes it.
We're out here trying it
What
out.
you say?
Mm-hmm.
What you say, what soup make? Some not tell us I'm some feel.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. You see, me tell you, say Mannish water soup sell off. They sell off. I know.
Yeah, more.
Yeah, no. So guys, I don't normally do food videos, but this is just something locally that I was really excited about and had to try this. All right?
Once the Mannish water kick, they can put chicken in a can, chicken soup in a can too.
Yeah. The Mannish water. No, but imagine when they come with the cold food tonight, can. My gosh, with broad bean. Guys, So here we are going. So you like when you get the curry goat right and the Mannish water right, go on with the cow food. Yeah man, or the cow skin. That one they don't go. The cow skin with broad meat. You want to go white rice? I white rice, I only thing missing. Jasmine rice or basmati rice. Come. We'll go over here so now. Taste test guys. Yeah, no. Listen no man. Me no want. Yes. So guys, want to check out that thing here. Now, I put the description in my details below so you guys can go check them out. This is exciting guys. This is something new product for Jamaican. This is what I like. Jamaican entrepreneurs that's growing in Jamaica and building businesses like this. This is awesome. I love this. When I first seen it on the Jamaica Observers guys, I called them up right away and I'm like, hey look, I like this. I want to try this out. I want to see what it's like. I think this thing's gonna shoot. I was supposed to call him back from when, and I haven't had a chance to open these cans up, but I'm finally at work. We got a little break from work, and we say, all right, now we just heat up that thing here and try it out. So we'll try out the curry goat now, guys. So we'll carry answer first. Where's the curry?
No man.
Where's it? Can I go on?
I can't go on. You want to white rice?
I say, I chef I cook this. Guys, I'm gonna try this out.
This my curry man curry.
Yo, you soft like. Whoa. No, whoa.
One here, so.
Look at soft meat. Look there. Curry goat guys, real goat meat. Not no pastured meat. What is it, Yandra say? What? This you want to try? This you want to try the curry goat and I can?
That bad.
The goat?
No.
No.
We're not edit put this there. Like seriously, guys, please. This need for be in a supermarket on shelf. Yes, the goat and the soup need for the pan shelf. Come I need to get mine.
Yep, right away. You see?
Joe, you're so unfair because you don't care one for one.
No, but it's only one sample the gentleman brought to me from Triple C manufacturers for me to test these out and check them out. And we're just here and being that.
I'm not up on a curry goat. Curry them can curry them.
But being all of us is here and we're working a food environment, is the best persons to test out things like this and send it out there. And whether we, what is it, approve this? 100?
Approve 100.
Mannish Water and curry goat gets sell off. Ghana road with the guys. Sell off. Guys, you know have hand to collect money when you put this on road. I mean I tell you, this a thing, sell off. Jamaican shore fishing, I tell you that. I love food, you know. So guys, trust me, out there. So big up yourself guys. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing and the taste test of the Mannish Water in can and curry goat in can. Done by Island Taste. I'm gonna put this card up real quick so you guys can see it. Island Taste guys, and there goes their details right there. So you guys can see all their details. So check them out guys, check out their site, check out their product. Jamaican Shore Fishing is telling you this. We have Triple C manufacturers. Island Taste is the brand. So make sure you go out there and check them out. They're on Instagram, they're on TikTok, and they're on all over guys. So check them out, big up yourself.
Win. It's a win.
It's a win.
It's a
You see
win.
that guys?
It's a win.
We are boost up the thing. Bless up on yourself guys. Thank all you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads. And I see you tomorrow morning on next fishing adventures, guys. So I'm at work today, so I'm just messing up a crime, and I just got this new camera. So this is the first video on the new camera, guys. Stay tuned. This is the DJI Action 3, and the next one is coming on the way, guys. And we just here to find the work. Curry goat patty.
Yes.
Mad. Yo, people. Remember, see our kitchen we're there now. We're baking anything around here, you know, guys. Chefins. Be a chefins going here, so. I tell him, chef, tell the viewers, say the curry goat in a can.
Man, the curry goat in a can bad.
And a chef this, a man we cook food every day, guys. So guys, like me say guys, I eat that for the video guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing's out here with the team, we're out here in the kitchen and we're just doing this nice video guys and just taste testing. Alright, so big up yourself, stay tuned for the next exciting epic video. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads. We out.